what is the given? So what is the point? X by 2.
3
plus
3 comma 2.
3 comma 2. So 3 comma 2 lies on the line also. So 2 equals to 2 into 3 6 plus C. So C equals to minus 4. Equals minus 4 we get. But we have to find the remaining two vertices. Okay. Okay, find the length maybe. Actually, distance diagonal A, B, C, D. What is the length AC? Root of 5 minus 1 whole square plus 3 minus 1 whole square. 16 plus 4 20. Root 5. Okay. Now we have to find out this length also root 5 and root 5. Because diagonals bisect each other. Correct? Root 5, root 5. Not perpendicular. We don't know. Now you have to find the vertices B and D. So see here the midpoint we know 3 comma 2. From this point there are 2 points which are at a distance of 5 units on the line y equal to 2x plus c. For y equal to 2x plus c slope you know tan theta value 2. So if tan theta value 2, what is sin theta value? What is cos theta value? Positive means all positive only. So sin theta is 2 by root of 5 or cos theta 1 by root 5, correct? If tan theta is 2, this is 1, this is root 5. So tan theta is 2 means sin theta 2 by root 5, cos theta 1 by root 5. Okay, so we can use the parametric distance formula x1 plus or minus r cos theta, y1 plus or minus r sin theta. From the point 3 comma 2, there exists 2 points which are at a distance of 5 so plus or minus cos theta. 1 by root 5 sin theta 2 by root 5. So root 5 will cancel. 3 plus 1 4, 2 plus 2 4. 3 minus 1 2, 2 minus 2 0. So 4 comma 4 and 2 comma 0 are other two vertices. Okay, understand?
Yes, sir. So when do we use the parametric distance
Find the point.
equations?
To find the points, it is very important. To find the vertices, always use the parametric function, which is the distance and angle.
Oh, okay, sir.
They will give direct line or parallel to other line. Parallel to the same slope you can take it. So same tan theta you have to take and same find sin theta cos theta. Line along the line or along parallel to some line. In that case, we use the same parametric points. Next,
Okay, sir.
completed this.
Yes, sir.
Next, the second one. I think we did this problem in right lines. That's good. Miscellaneous example. Plus or minus root a square minus b square by 0. Product of the perpendicular distance. X by a cos alpha. So cos alpha by a x value root a square minus b square. Y value 0 minus 1 by root a square plus b square. So cos square alpha by a square plus 1 sin square alpha by b square. Perpendicular distance formula. Next from the second point minus root a square plus b square. Cos alpha by a into minus root a square minus b square. That's the same y0 minus 1 by a square plus b square. Cos square alpha by a square plus sin square alpha by b square. Understand this one? From the point plus and minus, you have to take the product. Perpendicular distance is mod ax1 plus by1 plus c by root a square plus b square. So product. This is a plus b, this is a minus b means a square plus b square minus b square. So cos square alpha by a square root a square minus b square will cancel. Root cancel means a square minus b square minus 1. And the denominator also root of a square plus root a into root a. This one into this. So root will cancel. Cos square alpha by a square plus.
So you took it as a square minus b square. But so both it's minus 1 only, right?
No, if you take minus here, this is plus.
Oh, okay.
A minus
Okay,
B.
sir.
If you take minus common, modulus is there, so it is A plus B only. So A square minus B square.
Okay, sir.
So by simplifying the cos square alpha by A square, okay. So B square, A square, okay. B square cos square alpha minus B square cos square alpha minus A square by A square. All by here also B square cos square alpha plus A square sin square alpha by A square B square. A square we cancel. So B square goes to numerator. A square cos square alpha minus A square is minus A square sin square alpha plus B square minus B square cos square alpha by A square sin square alpha plus B square cos square alpha. The modulus minus plus both are same. So answer is B square. Same problem we did in miscellaneous exercise. Last one. Next,
Okay, sir.
fourth one.
So fourth one, yeah.
This one completed.
And just a second, sir.
Distance of the line compartment.
Yes, sir.
The parametric equations of the distance of the line somewhere equal to 3x. Equal to 3x is the distance of the line y equal to 3x. The equal dimension line is passing through origin. So y equals to 3x. Now we have to find the from the point 4, 1. So suppose we take the point as 4, 1. From this point we have to find the perpendicular distance along the line which makes an angle 135 degrees. So along, if you take one line making 135 degrees, along this direction you have to find P to point Q. If you find the perpendicular distance, perpendicular length you will get, but it is not along the line. So along the line, you use the parametric point, or you can find the equation of PQ. What is the equation of PQ? Point slope of y minus y1 equals to slope 135 means minus 1. X minus x1 is 4. So y minus 1 equals to minus x plus 4. X plus y equals to 5. So this is line PQ. Next y equals to 3x is line. Solve it. So y equals to 3x means 4x equals to 5. X equals to 5 by 4. So if x equals to 5 by 4, y equals to 3 into 5 by 4. 15 by 4 is the point. Now you have to find the length of PQ. So length of PQ is the distance. 2.4. 4 minus 4, 5 by 4, 16 minus 5. 11 by 4 whole square, 121 by 4 square. 15 minus 4 again, 15 minus 4 means 121 by 4 square. So 11 by 4 into 150. Answer. 11 to the third option. Otherwise, you can use the parametric point also. What are the parametric points of Q? Directly you can write it. From 4, 1, it is above means plus distance. You have to find out. So let the distance is cos 135 is minus 1 by root 2, sin 135 is plus 1 by root 2. So Q point is 4 minus r by root 2, 1 plus r by root 2. Okay. But this point Q lies on y equal to 3x. So y equals to 3 into 4, 12 minus 3r by root 2. 3r by root 2 plus 4r by root 2. 4r by root 2 equals to 12 minus 1, 11. What is our value? 11 root 2 by 4. Same answer. Understand method? First
So
method.
here R is PQ.
Third, I am finding the line equation directly PQ. So solving the two lines, you will get the point Q. So you can find the distance PQ. It is here. So in the second method,
Yes, sir.
I am writing Q point. See, Q point is at a distance we don't know, so I am taking the distance as R. Because we have to find the same distance R. So I am taking the point distance is R. So, and that point Q is at a distance R units from the point bottom of which means an angle 130 degrees. So to write this point, so we can use the parametric points x1 plus r cos theta, y1 plus r sin theta, because we are taking the point above. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So x1 plus r cos theta, y1 plus r sin theta, this is the point Q. So here you have to find r value, but Q lies on the line y equal to 8. So substitute it and find r value. This is also one method.
Sir, so we took plus because the pointer is above.
x1 plus r cos theta, y1 plus r sin theta. Same.
Yeah.
Theta is 135. Cos 135 is minus 1 by root. So sin 30 is sin 135 is 130 positive. R is distance. X1 y1 is point. So 4 minus r by
Okay,
root
sir.
1 plus r by root 2 is the point coordinates of Q. So Q lies on the line y equal to 3x. Substitute and find r value.
Yes. Thank you, sir.
Any other? Equilibrium equation. So parallel lines are given 2x minus y plus 3 equal to 0. Then we write 2x minus y minus 4 equal to 0. So the equation is equidistance to the two parallel lines. This is nothing but ax plus by plus c1 plus c2 by 2 equal to 0. Directly then write the answer. So what is the answer? 2x minus y is same for both the lines. So first we have to make both the same pattern. So then c1 plus c2 by 2 3 minus 4 by 2 equal to 0. What is the answer? 4x minus 2y minus 1 equal to 0. So first option. Understand midway equation?
So can you explain it once more?
Suppose you take general equation ax plus by plus c1 equal to 0. Ax plus by equal plus c2 equal to 0. Take this one line which is equidistant to the both the lines. This line that is at the same means, so that line is the exact midpoint midway equation. So that equation is called midway equation. You have to find this equation. Already we know parallel lines only differ by constant. So you take ax plus by plus k equal to 0. Ax plus by plus k equal to 0. What is the distance between first and third? These two. Parallel lines mod c1 minus c2 by root a square plus b square. That is second line. K minus c2 by root a square plus b square. Both are equal. Midway equation means the exact same distance. So both are cancelled. Modulus if you remove k minus c1 equals to k minus c2. It is not possible. So k minus c1 equals to c2 minus c plus or minus. So 2k equals to c1 plus c2. K equals to c1 plus c2 by 2. So in place of k, we can take c1 plus c2 by 2. Midway equation.
So you don't need to exchange the coefficients?
What?
Don't you need to exchange the coefficient? I want to be bx plus ay.
Dx plus cy. That is general equation, you can take it then.
Okay, sir.
X coefficient here, y coefficient b. You take lx plus my whatever. Same coefficients will get parallel lines. Same pattern you have to take ax plus by, ax plus by, ax plus by. Sometimes they will use 4x minus 2y like that. So you have to multiply with the two other equation. Now you have to divide it to first equation. Then only you have to apply this formula. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Next. Any other?
No, sir.
Sequence and series, how many problems completed? Number 24.
So you finished all the one option questions.
One or more we have to do. The first one, Fn equals to sigma k equals to 1 to 4n minus 1 1 power k into k plus 1 by 2 into t square. Now by putting k equals to 1, what do you get? Minus 1 whole power 1 plus 1, 2 by 2, positive or negative. Minus 1 square. Yes, minus 1 square. Next, minus 1 whole power 2 into 3 by 2. 2 into 3 by 2 also odd value means minus 2 square. Next, 3 means what is that? 3 into 4. 12 by 2, 6, so even number, so plus 3 square. Next, 4 into 5 by 2, plus. Next, 5 means, so again we'll get minus 5 square, minus 6 square, plus 7 square, plus 8 square, and so on, like this we get. Okay. Now, up to n terms, up to 4 terms we have to write down. This is very. So you separate odd terms and even terms. You write 3 square minus 1 square, 5 square, 7 square minus 5 square. That's what I get. 11 square minus 9 square we get, and so on. Even terms, odd terms. So same even. 4 square minus 2 square, 8 square minus 6 square, and so on. Even cos of a square minus b square means a plus b into a minus b. A minus b means 3 minus 1, 2, 7 minus 5, 2, 9, 11 minus 9, 2, and so on. So 2 times. A plus b, 3 plus 1, 4, 7 plus 5, 12, 11 minus 9, 11 plus 9, 20, plus and so on. Similarly, a square minus b square, here also same. A minus b is 2 only. So for all 2, we get common. Remaining 4 plus 2, 6, 8 plus 6, 14. Next we get 10 and 12. So 10 plus 12, 22, plus and so on. Here we are pairing 2 terms. So total 4 terms. So even terms 2n, odd terms odd numbers 2n. And we are pairing 2 at a time. So how many terms we get here? N terms. Because each term we are getting 2 times. We also get n terms. Understand this one?
Yes, sir.
Just put k equals to 1, k equal to 2, and so on like that. You will get this sequence. So you separate odd numbers and even numbers. So you write like this: 3 square minus 1 square, 7 square minus 5 square. So that similarly evens also. So you will get a square minus b square means a plus b. So a plus b minus b is the same 2 for all. So 2 common. So 3 plus 1, 7 plus 5, 11 plus 9, like that you will get. N terms only will get. Because these are 2 n terms. Because this is one bracket means 2. Like this we get n bracket. So n terms. Similarly here also same n terms. This is AP. 8 So we do some of n terms in AP. N by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into difference. 2 into the plus 10 by 2 into 12 plus 10 minus 1 into 10 by 8. Divide outside. So we can see and then we can see it is 1 square. So we can see 10 minus 10 plus 4. 10 plus 4 means minus 80% you can see. See what is the difference? 8 on 8 plus and minus 1 into 8. We can we can square. Square. Whatever this is, we can square it also. We can square plus 8 square 16 and square plus 4. So but this value is given already. So 16 and 12 is 4 and we can take on 4 and plus 1. What is this value given value? Can take the values. So there are various options. First one 1056. 1056 means 4 we can take the outside. 42. Which are the values possible? We have to find it with two options. So 1056 we can write to 4 factors in 22. We need to find 0 terms we get the first one. 30 square 900, 31 square 32, 32 into 32. Find it 32 into 32. So 4n equals to 32, 4n plus 1 equals to 32. Right? Next 1120. 1120 how do you write it? 32 into 35 or 51. Next 1088. This is also 32 into something we will find it. 1332. 36. Okay, we upload this recording. Whatever this 1088 into 32, 32 into 34, 1332, 36, 37. So possibilities are 1056, 32, 33 possible, 32, 33, 5 not possible, 32, 34 not possible. So 1332 possible. So 4n plus 1, 4n. So first 1056 and 1331. Understand this one? Everyone understand this?
So what do you do after the 8n square step?
This is AP, we simplified and we get 8n square plus 8n square, 16n square plus 4. This is the
Yes, sir.
simplified value.
Oh, you took it out common. Okay.
No, 4n common, 4n into 4n plus 4. So conjugative terms we have to write according to the options. What the problem they can take values there. So which is numbers 1056 is 32 into 33. So conjugative terms we can write it for it. Similarly 1332 also. Conjugative terms 36 into 37. So it is also possible because 36 is also multiple of 4. We can write it. Next the second one. And we did this one. Sigma n equal to 0 to infinity cos power 2n phi. So by putting n equal to 0, 1 cos square cos power 4 plus and so on infinity a by 1 minus r. So it is nothing but cosecant square phi. 1 by sin square, that is cosecant square phi. Similarly, sigma n equal to 0 to infinity sin square. Sin power 2n pi is nothing but secant square phi. Same pattern is there. Next, z equals to sigma n equal to 0 to infinity cos power 2n pi sin power 2n pi. If you expand like this, we get 1 minus 1 cos square phi sin square phi we get here. Because both here you will get only 1. In this you will get 1 by 1 minus sin square, only 1. But here we get 2 because of product. You replace the values z equals to 1 by 1 minus cos square phi. Cos square phi means 1 by x, 1 by y. So implies z equals to xy by xy minus 1. So by 10 cross multiplication, xyz minus z equals to xy. So xyz equals to xy plus z. So which option? Second option. But it is multi answer. See what we have our identity. Secant square phi plus sin secant square phi equals to product also same secant square phi sin square phi. Nothing but x plus y equals to xy. So in case of xy, you can write x plus y. So xyz equals to x plus y plus z also answer. Two options you get. 2, 3. Understand? After this already did in a crossword problem. Only this extra. So secant square theta plus secant square theta. If you write 1 by cos and 1 by sin, you will get this one. So a plus b equal to a for this. So x plus y you can write it. So x by z equal to x plus y plus z also you get answer. Understand? Next third one.
So 1 second, could you go to the previous? Okay, so thank you.
Next problem is the first and 2n minus 1 terms are given. So to a, b, and h are equal. First and 2n minus 1 term. So first term means so you take it as the a and there is an a, b, so you take x. This is first term. And the 2n minus 1 term also equals to y. So what is the middle term of 1, a1, a2 and so on, a2n minus 1? What is the middle term? Middle term is nothing but nth term. Nth term is nothing but ap. So ap value a, nth term. Similarly, b is mathematic mean. Nth term is a, just nth term of gp is b. Nth term of g is cp. AP, GP, HP, we have one formula. Arithmetic progression is greater than or equals to geometric progression is GP is greater than or equal to HM, GM and HM. Greater than or equal to greater than or equal to C. And if first and last term are equal, there AM equal to GM equal to HM. We proved already. What is AM? X plus Y by 2. GM, 2xy. HM, 2xy by x plus y. You can prove that this square equal to AH. This square means B square equals to AC. So second and fourth options you get.